Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video from Linh Duy Quang. In today's video, I will answer a question from one of my students. You asked that after finishing your design, when you try to save it, an error pops up and you can't save. So I will make a video to share with you about this. And if you find my sharing video helpful, please hit the subscribe button to support Linh Duy Quang's channel. For example, here is a product code that we have finished designing. Now let's save it. You will go to File, then click on Save As. Now you will choose the folder where you want to save it. For example, let's save it in this folder, Garment Industry, and now we will click Save. You will immediately see an error notification at the bottom right corner. This error occurs because we created a folder with a Vietnamese name that includes accent marks. So you need to rename this folder, either use Vietnamese without accent marks or use English, then you will be able to save. Here, you just click on it and save again. Change it to a name without accent marks like this and now try saving again. Go to the CMS file, then select the location with this folder and you'll be able to save right away. If you find my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel to support it by clicking below. Goodbye and see you in the next sharing videos.